Hi, welcome back to this shit show known as my channel. Today's video is inspired by tHe, link down below. I hope you are all safe and I hope you enjoy. Love you. It's attacking me. What's attacking you, Cookie? Yeah, what is it? To be honest, I don't care. Young's help. And when we don't know what's happening, Young just go to his room. Yeah, let's go, Jim and Young. Almost 5 minutes later. Those noises are concerning. You orangey, Young, go knock on the door. You orangey. Young. Shush, him not here. Then how are you answering? Hobie, just don't question him. Oh my god, the noises are getting louder. 1 hour later. Damn, that lasted forever. Did they stop? Yes, Hobie. Our Cookie is safe. Yes, he is. tHe, Young and Jim and she saved me. Yes, we did. You. Gross. Not on my Christian Minecraft server, you don't. But Young, we weren't playing Minecraft. Yeah, we were playing with cookies, tHe. No. Sorry, Young. Can we play again later? Sure, Cookie. Can we not have this conversation? Young, calm down, we play later. Okay. I'm so disgusted. You orangey, Young, we can play too. No. Don't you dare touch me. Come on, Young. No, shut the up. But. No. 20 seconds later. Young, you made Cookie cry. You orangey, Young is mean. Jim and she, can we play again? Sure, Cookie. Wait, I wanna play. Damn it, tHe. I was about to win. Wait. I walked up there because I heard noises again, and I see tHe open the door. Anna, all you're doing is playing Jenga? Yeah. It's Cookie's favorite when he's not playing Overwatch. We thought you were having. Shut the hell up, Namjoon. Let them get back to their game. Thanks, Hobie, Young. It's late, I'm going to bed, boys. Good night. Good night, Young. You orangey, Young and Hobie, Young already went to their rooms. I'll check on the young ones. MK. What the? It's not what it looks like. Well, I guess it is. Cookie wanted. I'm trying to sleep, Young. You're all grounded. But. Just you wait till I tell Namjoon. No, please don't. That took so longer to edit than I expected to. I give up on censoring this. Fuck. Haha. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below. I hope you enjoyed the other videos from this week. Let me know your favorite. I hope you all are safe and washing your damn hands. As always, my socials are down below. If you message, I'll do my best to reply. Don't forget to check out my collab channel with Unleaded Havoc. We are going to try to do podcasts every Saturday, so if you like that stuff, please stop by. Shout out to this wonderful person. Thanks for checking out my song Evil Night. I hope you liked it. One more thing before you go. If you like, you can join my Discord, sir. You can talk about whatever, like video ideas and stuff, plus you'll get behind the scenes. Alright, I hope you stay safe and wash your hands. I have nothing else to say, so if you don't like this video, I'll cough all over your doorknobs. But most importantly, if you do like this video, the memory squirrel will give you a quarantined hug. Make sure to ring ding that bell, drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe. Love you.